What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is Flash Forex. Today we're going to be transferring our EXNESS account to the MT5 platforms. There we can get smoother, better, accurate instruments to work with to edge our performance. So straight off the gate, uh, this is our EXNESS account right here. We are on the EXNESS platform, the EXNESS app. You can get that on Google Play. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description down below. And to do this, I'm going to be using my demo account. I still do have my real account, but just for illustration purposes, I'm going to be using my demo account. As you can see there, my real account doesn't have any balance yet, but I'm going to be topping that up pretty soon. So what you need to do is you need to observe a few things just before you head over to the MT5 or MT4 platforms. Is you need to make sure that everything is in alignment. You need to set up your account, that external account, where EXNESS has this page where you can set that up pretty easily. There you see you have your your login details. You have your login number, you have your login passwords. That's just where you're gonna set it up, and it's pretty simple. You can choose everything. There's nothing major about that, but you need to remember that login number. It's sort of like a special serial number, and that's what you're gonna go over to the MT5 application. And mind you, I'm using an Android device. I'm pretty sure the iOS features the same kind of interface. I'm not pretty sure. I don't think it's different from this from the Android, and I think it's the same really. So you can see right there when you go to your profile, it's gonna ask you. That's where you can change your terminal where you're gonna be trading from, so that every time you hit trade, it's gonna either take you to this to either of to the three of these platforms. You have EXNESS, you have the MT5 application, and you have the inbuilt MT5 on the EXNESS app. So that's it. So you can choose the MT5 platform. You can go with the EXNESS, but it's okay, but not for some professional traders because they have a number of instruments to work with. And so whenever you hit the trade right there, as you can see on the top bar, I'm sorry, my I think I'm having some lag issues because my assets are not loading up right there, but that's not going to stop us from going to the MT5s. Yeah, so right there you can see I have just selected the MT5 app, and I have the MT5 installed. You also need to have the MT5 application installed, and you can see the dock area where you have your deposit, your withdrawal. When you hit trade, it's going to take you directly to the MT5. If you want to use the EXNESS interface, it's going to take you to the interface, the EXNESS part of the trading, or where you can see the assets as the trades are live. So you can see right here, I had initially already opened a demo account, so I'm going to be just showing you how I did that. And the first thing you can see that on your top right there was a plus sign right there. You just go ahead and add the company. Of course, these companies are a lot. The broker companies are quite a few out there, so whatever yours, I just hope that it can support the MT5, which most do. So you go ahead and look for that company, and if it brings a suggestion, go with it. And that's where you're gonna find a space to fill in your login details that we set up earlier from the EXNESS application. And it's pretty simple. You just have to remember a few details so that you don't get mixed up. You can see right there that we have the MT5 real, the MT5 real 2. So if you have 2 or 3 real accounts, you need to, I think they arrange in some sort of like the date they were created, so from the oldest to the newest, right? And you're gonna go with that. But for our case, since this is my demo account, I'm gonna go with the EXNESS trial, my first trial. I don't have any other demo account, so that's pretty obvious. I don't have a second demo account, so that's what I'm gonna go for. And as soon as I click on that, I'm gonna be taken to this part where I am supposed to fill in the password that I set up earlier, and I'm just gonna log in. if you have any trouble, just go back to the your initial platform and check your details and make sure they match, and you're all good to go. I love the MT5 platform because it allows me to have an expanded uh, um, um, interaction with the assets. It has a lot of assets. It has a lot of features, a lot of indicators and instruments to work with. Compared to the XNESS app, which is a little bit limited, and well, it's not really. I think this is just because I'm used to the MT5s. It's just kind of my thing, and I'm comfortable here. And there you go. You have a lot of assets to work with. The bitcoins, the stocks, the metals, the currencies. So, I mean, it's forex, baby, and um, I love the MT5 especially because it has some updated features that the MT4 doesn't. So be sure to have this app. I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description below, so you guys be sure to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave any questions down below, and please guys subscribe, like the video, so that we can hit that algorithm and we can get this kid video out there. So share this video, like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. Name's Brian. Subscribe, guys, and I think we're done for now, guys. Until later, guys. Peace.